FOXO stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to show you my exact play, with FOXO Technologies. So how is all this really going to look like? First thing on the list that I'm seeing, at least observing, is 53% down. It's crazy. I've made 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Over the last 5 years, tens of thousands of dollars have been invested in courses and mentors. And to be very frank and honest, it's not like this was not expected. Let's be perfectly real. This was made 21 hours ago. And even in this video, like I mentioned, that the likelihood of this thing just kind of keeps crashing is high. If you watch my video, and you can see post-mark was already at $1. Now we're at 74 cents. I mean, I'm not going to be surprised if we do manage to reach these lows. Just saying. So let me know what is your opinion on this. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Other than that, man, like I have previous FOXO receipts, of course, in the Discord, which don't show up. But see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.